So basically, these are my être family verb. This is we called as auxiliary verb also. Être family verb. Say Claire. Okay. So these are French verbs. So basically, Manpreet and Summer,
Mm-hmm.
these are my French verbs that take être as their auxiliary verb. It means auxiliary verb is something like these are the verbs which they are the family of the adverb. So what is the family of the adverb? Auxiliary verb is aller, arriver, descendre is to get down. C'est clair. Entrer, rentrer. C'est clair. Monter.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Remonter is to climb again. Mourir is to die. Naître is to born. Renaître is to reborn. C'est clair. Tell me yes and no.
Oui.
Okay, partir is to leave, repartir, okay, to leave again. Passer is to pass, rester is to rest, retourner is to return. It means the things you're doing majorly with your legs. Sortir is to go out, tomber is to fall down, venir is to come, devenir is to become, repte après moi, devenir is to become, devenir,
Navneet is to
parvenir
become.
reach, revenir
Parvenir.
to come back.
Revenir.
Venir, devenir, parvenir. Répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît.
Venir, devenir, parvenir.
Is it clear to you? Tell me yes or no. Why?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Is it clear to you? Clear?
Oui.
Now, for example, over here we have verb descendre. Descendre is my verb to get down. C'est clair? Descendre is my verb to
Get
get
down.
get down. Is it clear to you? Répétez après moi. So these are my RE ending verb. Tell me yes and no. Descendre.
Yes.
Descendre is my verb to get down, and descendre is my RE ending verb. C'est clair. Okay, let me write it down for you. May I rub this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
May I rub this? Why?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So we have verb descendre. What is the formula of RE ending verb? S blank ONSEZENT. That how we can do the practice of these verbs. Claire. So I will say je descends, tu descends, elle descend. Claire. Nous descendons. Claire. Vous descendez. Claire, tell me yes and no. And
Yes, sir.
elle descendent. C'est clair? Tell me yes and no. Répétez après moi. Je descends. Tu descends. Elle descend. Nous descendons. Vous descendez.
Descendre.
Elle descendent. So the PP of descendre verb is descendu. The PP of the descendre verb is descendu. The past of descendre verb is descendu.
Descendu.
So if I will say I go down, get down is je descends. I go down is je suis descendu. Tell me yes and no. Je suis descendu. C'est clair. Tell me yes and no.
Mm. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Why? Is it clear to you? Okay. Now we have verb parvenir. We have verb parvenir. So parvenir we have verb to reach. Parvenir. Again we have the same conjugation of venir. Par, je parviens, because venir, it just we have to insert parvient, V-I-E-N-S. Je parviens. Claire. Tu viens. Tu parviens. C'est clair. Okay. Elle parvient. C'est clair. Tell me yes or no. Nous
Yes.
parvenons. C'est clair. Vous parvenez. Say Claire. And il, L, par, Vn. Is it clear to you? Il, L, par, Vn. Because over here I'm using Vanir conjugation. Par, Vanir. So I'm using Vanir conjugation. It is just I'm inserting par, par, par. So par, Vanir is a verb to reach. Say Claire. Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I asked you, convert Davnir conjugation. Davnir is my verb to become. Claire, Davnir. These all are my active family verb. So Davnir, happen, to become. Claire, is it clear to you? Davnir, to become. So what you will do? Vanir, vient. Have you done vanir? Je deviens Claire. Claire, to deviens. It is just you have to use vanir conjugation and you can insert the. Claire. Now vanir paper is what? One you. Vanir paper is what? One you. So parvanir paper is what? Par one you. Say Claire. Tell me yes or no. Say Claire.
Yes, sir.
And Davneet paper is what? Davanu.
Then,
Tell me yes and no. Claire. Now, Summer and Manpreet conjugate Davneer, present and past and send it back to me in your words. Your time starts now. Conjugate Davneer, present verb and Davneer, past verb. So Davneer is my active family verb. Claire, d'accord?
Mm,
And send it back to me.
the-
वो comprende? समझ आ रहा है आपको सारा? Why?
yes, sir.
Yes.
समर देखो
Mhm.
वनीर में नू वनो होता है ना, नू वनो, तो नू दवनो होगा, VENONS। क्लियर? देखो
V.
And S,
देखो ओके, आई विल एक्सप्लेन टू यू, वन सेकेंड। वनो होता है राइट, वनीर में नू क्या है? वनो, राइट?
Mhm.
तो नू दवनो होगा,
No, okay.
दव्यो नहीं होगा, दैट्स रॉन्ग।
Mhm.
नू वो वन,
okay.
वो वने, देन वो दवने होगा। क्लियर?
Mhm.
So
Yes.
Yes,
here
sir.
we have to understand first one-year conjugation. Je viens, Claire, because we have to practice for these one-year conjugations. Because these are, see, whatever we are doing over here, it is under recording, right? So because guys, these are the intensive course, and intensive course, you on a daily basis, whatever we are doing, you have to do practice so that there should not be any mistake for your verbs. C'est clair. Correctez après moi.
Yes.
Je viens, tu viens, elle vient,
Mm,
nous venons. C'est clair.
One.
D'accord? Pas de problème because beginner में that happen. होता ही है. Right. But you will do practice now. Because for Davnir, Parvanir, we have to use this one-ear conjugation. Je viens, tu viens, elle vient, nous venons, vous venez, elles viennent. C'est clair. Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. And then we have Davnir. C'est clair. D'accord. C'est clair. Why?
Yes.
We.
Okay. So, je deviens, tu deviens, elle devient, nous devenons, vous devenez, elles deviennent. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Why? Vous comprenez? समझ आया आपको सारा concept?
Yes, sir.
Now these are only, till now we have done 14 ether family verbs, right? Till now we have done 14 ether family verbs. Now rest of the verbs, like for example, we have verb partly, we have verb parley,
One.
we have verb asapte, we have verb adore, any verb apart from these 14, 15 verbs. We have done jouer is to play, jouer. All these verbs are my our family verbs. Only these verbs, like which we have written, right? जो अभी which I have explained to you, these are my at family verb. Rest are the verbs are my our family verb. Now,
Our.
now we have parley verb. So you know parley er conjugation in terms of present. What is the past? P-A-R-L-E aigu. Say what the pepe, passé composé, say clair. And in that case, you have to use our family. So you will say, je parle, say clair. Tell me yes and no. Tu as
Yes, sir.
parlé,
Yes.
say clair. Is it clear to you? Now,
Yes.
then a monsieur. I'm going to give you verbs which you have to conjugate in present past, present past. Is it clear to you? I'm giving you a task now, which you have to accomplish your task. Is it clear to you? Tell me yes and no. So that you
Yes.
can do
Yes, sir.
practice, you will come to know a lot of vocabularies. Why? Is it clear to you? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 1 second. Very simple words. I'm going to give it to you. Okay. So we have basically, it is very important verbs, okay, which we already have wrapped up, but yes, you have to do practice for this. Okay, 1 second. Let me save the previous recording. Okay, bear with me, yeah. 1 second. And this recording help you out? Did you see the recording? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 second. Now, let me clear this whiteboard. Now, I'm going to give you these verbs, okay? Pen down those verbs. And you have to conjugate all these verbs in present past so that you will come to know the verb conjugation also and the vocabularies. I'm going to send it to you in your WhatsApp. 1 second. You got it in your WhatsApp? You received?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm sending you lot of like 10 more verbs. I'm going to send it to you. Okay, from here. A from the Monday. You have to convert Summer and Manpreet. You have to convert
Mm,
present, past, because all these verbs are our, because only we have 14 and 15 house verbs wherein we have a movement in the legs. This is my actual family verb. The rest is my our family verb. Is it clear to you? Claire?
Yes.
Thakur? So what I'm going to do is now, Samar and Manpreet, I'm going to share these three recordings, whatever we have done today. And now your task is, you have to send it back to me with present, past, all these verbs. Your time starts now. Clear? Thakur?
Okay,
Why?
sir.
So that
yes.
tomorrow we are going to touch a new pattern. So these today pattern has to be clear because yes, tomorrow we have a new pattern. Say Claire. So tomorrow, if this pattern will get clear, like whatever we have done today, and this pattern will be very much understandable to you, then only we can touch the next pattern. Say Claire. So what now you have to do is now you have to send me these verbs present and past. These all are my our family verb and practice the previous session, whatever we have done now in the recording. I'm going to share today's recording. Say Claire, Dakur, why?
Yes.
Summer, is it clear to you, Manpreet?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So send it back to me. Your time starts now. Okay? Why? Is it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I'm just waiting. Please send it me. Send it to me. ठीक है, Manpreet and Summer? Why?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Mm,
ठीक है, I'm just waiting. Please send it back to me. All these verbs, present and past. And if you have any doubt, you can send me a text. Is it clear to you in the WhatsApp? I'm here. Why?
Okay, sir.
yes.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
All right.